In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count users in Mixpanel. We'll build a clear, reliable view of your user count using an insights report, and then add a second metric so you can compare it side by side for context. Start by heading to Mixpanel and opening your workspace. From the home screen, look for the option to create something new. Click Create New, and when the menu appears, choose Insights. Insights is the go-to report type for trend lines and aggregations over time, which makes it perfect for counting users. Once the Insights report opens, you'll see a prompt to choose what you want to measure. Click Select Metric. This opens the metric picker, where you can decide exactly how you want Mixpanel to count. If you know the metric name your team uses, type it into the search bar. Searching is the fastest way to find standardized metrics in a busy project, and it helps you stay consistent with how your organization already measures users. If you're not sure what to search for, you can browse by category instead. Open the Profile section, then select User Profile. Choosing User Profile tells Mixpanel to count user profiles, which is a straightforward way to see how many users are in your data set. This is especially helpful if your project relies heavily on user properties and you want a count tied directly to profiles rather than event activity. After your first metric is selected, Mixpanel will render a chart so you can see the trend. You'll typically get a time series by default, and you can hover over any point to view the exact count for that date or interval. This gives you a quick read on scale and direction without any extra setup. Next, click Add Metric to bring in a second line or bar for comparison. This is great for context because a single number rarely tells the whole story. When the picker opens again, choose what the second metric is. You might select another user-focused metric that complements the first one, so you can visualize how the two move together or diverge. This side-by-side view makes it easier to spot changes in growth, engagement, or the relationship between the two measurements over time. That's it. You've gone from the Mixpanel home screen to a clean insights report that counts users and compares them with a second metric. Use this setup as a repeatable starting point whenever you need a clear, trustworthy view of your user count.